Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, we will see how we can set any text using Vanishing Point tool. Now remember, there are other ways to obtain this particular goal, that is setting any text into perspective. There are other ways, but in this particular video, we are going to focus on the Vanishing Point and how we can achieve our goal using the Vanishing Point. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to create a layer, then the text that we want to apply over here. So in this particular example, I want to add the text on the surface over here. So what I'll do is I'll type some text using the horizontal type tool, and I will increase the size accordingly. And let's say I will write Photoshop itself. You can choose any text that you want. Photoshop. Now you can either change the color right now, or you can choose to change it later on using the blending options. So I'll change it to white color so that it will look better, or it will match the background, in other words. So this looks good to me, and I will increase the size a little bit like this. I can increase a little bit more. So lot of people get confused in how to select the text, especially while using the Vanishing Point tool. It's very easy to select text. You simply have to click on the thumbnail. This is called as the thumbnail in the layers panel. First, press and hold Control key or Command key if you're using Mac, and press and hold Control or Command and left click on the thumbnail. So whatever area is present in the layer is get selected. So in this case we have text, so the text is selected. Now to copy this, press Control C or Command C. It's copied. Now deselect this, Control D or Command D. Now we can hide this layer for now, and we can create another layer. And as I told you in my earlier videos which featured Vanishing Point, if you haven't seen that video, please go see that video. I will provide the link in my description of this video. So create a new layer. It is better to create a new layer and then apply Vanishing Point, so that we can have more options. So in this layer, I will create a plane of Vanishing Point using filter Vanishing Point. Now using the plane option, this option right here, create plane option, we can create a plane like this, and we can always change or edit the plane as per our liking. And remember, if the red or yellow color occurs, then we are doing something wrong. As long as there is blue color on the plane, we are doing the right thing. So this is how the plane looks. And now we have to apply or paste or place the text that we have already copied. So to paste the text, we can simply use Control V or Command V. So we will get our text right over here. I'll zoom out a little bit. So this is our text. Now remember, if we want to transform the text, we can always use T option. So I'll place it first over here. Now using the T, letter T for transform, we can change the size and shape of the text. Now if you want to stretch the text together, use Alt plus Shift key or Option plus Shift if you are using Mac. So this is how it will look like this, Alt plus Shift. So I'm happy with this height. I will release the Shift key. You can always try different things. So I'm happy with the text right now, and I will press OK, and I will show you the result. Now this is how it will look, but the perspective is right now. The perspective is almost correct, but it is not looking realistic. So to get this a realistic look, we can use the blending options. Now you can either right click and go to blending option, or you can simply double click on the layer. So this text is on this layer, so double click over here or right click blending options. Now we are going to use blending options and blend if. We are going to use the blend if property now. Remember, we can discuss the blend if option in fully or totally in some other video, because it is very interesting and very useful option, blend if. But for now I'm going to show you in short how it works. Now this is the dark point, darkest point, or you can call it black point, and this is the white point. And now you can simply, this underlaying layer, you can simply, if you take it to the right, this dark point, this is how it works, like this. The text slowly blends into the background. That is why it is called as blend if. Gray, we have chosen the gray color. So this is how it will look. And if you again, we can, if we move the white point or the bright point, this is how it will look, or this is the result that we get. So now remember, we don't want this sudden disappearance of the text, we want a gradual change. So what we can do is, we can press or press alt key or option key, so it will get separated, these two alt or option key, and left click on this, so it will get separated. Now we get the gradual change like this. Now it is looking more realistic like this. As you can see, this is looking realistic. And stop whenever you are happy with the result. Similar to this, press and hold alt key or option key, so it will get separated, the 2 points. Look, this is the result that we are getting. You can see a slight difference. So I'm happy with this result. It is looking pretty much realistic, as if we have written the text or written these letters on the surface near the Eiffel Tower. So this is pretty much the way to first of all, to set the text in perspective and to give the text a realistic look, we can use the blending options. You can always try different options, different values rather of blending options, and choose and stop whenever you feel satisfied with the result. So this is how it will look. So this is a very simple way to put a text into perspective and give it a realistic look using vanishing point. And remember, this is only one way to do it, using the vanishing point option. There are of course other ways to achieve same goals, but for now we have seen this using the vanishing point option. Now do try this out on different options. I will see you another example. Let's say this is another example, so I'll create a plane quickly. Go to filter, vanishing point, just to give you another example, or just to give you another idea, so to say. This is the plane that we have created. Now red color means we have done something wrong. Now it is back to blue, so we are all good. Now press and hold control or command key and create this another layer, and now again set this properly like this. So this is the same plane that we have created, and we already copied the text. So I will press Ctrl V or Command V, so we'll get this text like this. And remember, Alt plus Shift, first of all press T for transform, beg your pardon, T for transform. Something is not right. I will press undo. No, again I will, and T for transform, Alt Shift. So this is how it will look. I will place it over here like this, and Alt Shift again, and I will stretch it like this. So this is the result that we get. Press OK. Again we have to do the same thing, blending options, double click like this. This is the result that we get. Again Alt plus click or Option plus click, this is the result that we get. It blends into the background. So we have some darker area here, so we will keep it to this brightness, maybe this one, so that it looks realistic. And for this one we can move this slider, again press Alt plus click, so this will get separated. And you can always change the color as per your liking over here like this. You can always change the color. So this is the result that we get. Blending options, this is what we get using the blending options. So this is one way to do it using vanishing point and blend if option. Do try this, and it's very interesting and very fun to use, and you will be amazed that by the result that you get. So do try this out. It's very fun and you will enjoy the results. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye and cheers.